Hello my friends, let me show you how you can install VirtualBox in Windows. To start this tutorial, you want to open your web browser and go to the link that I'm going to let you guys in the description. Open up this place, and here you can download the VirtualBox. Search for the latest version that you can see, and if you are running Windows like myself, you want to click into Windows Host. It's going to start the download. Now you only have to wait until it's done. Now the download is already done, you can open it right here or going into your downloads folder, click on it. When a small user account control screen pops up, you want to click into yes, and now you're going to have opened the setup wizard to install Oracle VirtualBox. Click into next, and here is going to show you all the things that this is going to need. For example, the USB support. I recommend that you let everything like it is, and in here if you want to change the location where you are going to install VirtualBox, you can change it right here clicking into browse. I'm going to leave it like it is, click into next one more time, and here are all the options that you can choose depending if you want to have it or not. I will leave it everything as it is, click into next. This is going to warn you that in the moment of installing VirtualBox, your network connection is going to be temporarily disconnected from the network. But when this is all done, it's going to be connected once more, so you don't need to worry about anything. Click into yes. And the last step, click into install. Now wait until the installation is done, and as you can see we have already Oracle VM, the VirtualBox, inside of your system. Click into finish, and this is going to be open right here. Now you can install and test as many virtual machines as you want if you want to test some different operating systems or for anything that you wish to. Thanks for watching, see you guys on the next time.